got another rockin' review for you. Joel Overstreet, Street Photography, and I have a tool bag. They sent this to me to check out to let you know how awesome it is. It's freaking hard as hell. I can't even bend this sucker. It's, as you can see, pretty damn cool looking. It's black, it's got studs, it's got belt buckle looking things, which you don't have to try to undo because it's got these nice little, fairly easy to release clasps, whatever they are. It's got a pretty decent little room in there for some tools, some accessories, some whatever you carry with you on your bike that you don't have room for. And I'll snap this back up real quick. Oh, inside here, it's also got like a hard plastic lining of some sort. I don't know what else to say about a tool bag. I mean, what do you need to know? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like about 40 bucks, 50 bucks. VikingBags. Check them out. If you're looking for something like this, you won't be sorry. Let's listen to some more AC/DC.